man. This is the weekly What's New. What's new? What's new? I don't know where to start. Spring's here. I've been told that the building move is on. Ooh, building's gonna move. Garage is gonna move soon. I'll see. But apparently it's gonna move soon. So we're gonna start unpacking this place, and there's a lot of shit in here. Not looking forward to it, but I am. But you know what? Other than that, I have a bunch of. You'll probably see them. A bunch of new vice grip videos. You know, these stupid things. I got some really cool ones. I'm gonna try to spread them out because they're getting harder to find. So I'm going to spread them out. What else? After I run out of vice grips, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll just review the same ones over and over again. I don't know, just for the fun of it. What else is new? Got some more bike parts. Bikes out, coming back. I'll start making videos on that. I got a couple little odd videos I'm making. Mostly bike parts because it's bike season. Oh, and the new shop gets somewhat like basically in the new shop when I put all the pile of junk on one side and make a nice clean spot, I'll put the bikes and set them up and get them all working. And well, I don't know about get them all working, but they'll look like a bike, hopefully. I don't know if I'm that competent with motorcycles to get them fixed because I'm good at taking shit apart. I just don't know if I'm good at putting it back together. But I'm gonna, what's that? Carry on. I don't know. There's some famous quote you can misquote me on. So anyway, I'm gonna plow through it and figure out how to get at least one bike running. I'm gonna take my sweet ass time on another one because I wanna put one together nice, and I wanna make one that I can just go thrashing with. So I don't know if it's gonna be an 85 or an 86, but I do have an 85 frame back there, and I have an 86 frame that's going out to get blasted and painted. I'm gonna put that together. This one I'm probably gonna send out black. As soon as the other one comes back, I'm stripping this one down to nothing. I gotta fix. I don't think there's anything to fix on it. Just gonna strip it down and send it out to blasted and painted also. I have 2 or 3 front forks that I've gone out for blasting. As soon as they come back, I'm gonna paint them red. I might make one. I should make one bike a different color because why not? Sandblaster, I guess if we move in the next week or two, I'm just going to postpone that and create our building, and that's pretty much it really. There's not a lot of new, but basically life things. It's summer's coming. There's working on a house. I got to do some wiring and get all that done. Work. Yay! I don't like slaving away, but at least I'm enjoying it. Still a volunteer fireman, so I'm still doing the fire department thing, but it's kind of tough when you got 4 kids, a job, and you know you're always over the border doing stuff and running a business. So yeah, I made if you see one of my previous videos, I made or it might be after this, whenever. I've been cutting up frying pans, making spatulas, and one's a spatula and one's just to dig around the dirt. And I'm thinking of making I don't know. I have the pieces, the leftover pieces. I'm thinking of making a little scraper out of it, and I don't know if I can do this. I want to make a wooden handle on it because my cast iron pan, when you cook steaks in it, it gets like cruddy shit on it, and you want to clean it off. And it never comes off. Like you could wash it, but I like to, instead of throwing it in the sink and let all the crud go down the drain, I like to scrape it off and then wipe it out and then put it in the garbage. Because it's either I do that or spend $200 on a plumber to come redo all my pipes. Yeah, $200 an hour probably. So I'm thinking of trying to make something, because when you cut a pan off, there's these like three round sides that are missing, and I'm like, there must be something I do with them. One has the little lip spout on it, so I'm like trying to figure out what the hell I can make out of it. I mean, I could make something, but we'll see. It's got to be. I was also thinking, let me go show you, see what anybody thinks. Hold on, stay there. Still there? Yeah. When you cut up perfectly good frying pans that are cracked, of course, they're all cracked, yeah. When you cut them up, you end up with this piece because you cut out the middle, use the handle. I'm trying to figure out what, like, possibly, I'm thinking of maybe making a handle here and use, I don't know. I was thinking of maybe cutting it, see, cutting this off here and attaching a handle somehow to here, or even making a, I just want something to scrape the pan with. But see, this is, the other thing I was thinking of is putting it on like this, using it as a handle for a drawer. Question is how do I attach this side? Because welding cast iron isn't exactly the greatest option in the world, because cast iron, I mean, you can weld it, just it's not a, like, an option. So I don't know, like, there's got to be something I use this for. Or I could take both sides and just weld them back together and make the world's, what do you call it, the world's coolest, what do you call it, banana float cast iron pan that's been welded together with non-cast iron welds. I don't know, I thought it was, I don't know what to do with this, because if you put it against something, you know, where could I use as an example here? If you put it on something flat and make a cool little tub, but then how do you get it to stay on there? See, JB Weld, yeah. So that's, if anybody has any idea what to do with this, we can make a little sun visor for me. Ooh, look at that. Go take those people that check your people that wear those weird little hats. I don't know. Are they striped shirts? What are they called? I don't know. Anyway, this, anybody have any ideas? It's a piece of cast iron. If I don't figure out what to do with it within a week or so, I'm gonna throw it out. What a waste. Not a waste of pan. I destroyed the pan and made a cool little spatula, but in a waste of this. Besides, there's millions of cast iron pans out there and nobody's missed one. And just in case, you know, in case you're wondering, it was cracked. I use all cracked pans. Actually, I'll use all pans that are $5 or less. Yeah. So anyway, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. And keep watching. If you're my latest subscriber, thanks for subscribing. If you're new here and just joining me, this is my channel. I do whatever I want. Thanks for watching. Doodles. Watch the next. Oh, and if you watch my videos, watch the whole video. Click like. Send me to the top of the search engine, because I need like several hundred more hours of watch time, because yeah, or I need better content. You know, I need one of those $1 billion things. Anyway, fancy Mr. Beast videos where I should just, you know, set the whole place on fire and go for fame. Thanks for watching. Toodles.